Hello guys, it's Dale here with the Daily Levels commentary for the 5th of July 2017. Let's start with Euro Dollar. There are several levels that I like to trade. The closest one is a short level at 1338, and as you can see, there is a vertical movement right now. There is a sell-off, and in situation like this I look for volume clusters. You can see such a volume cluster right there, and the specific reason for this short level being there, exactly there, is that it was a very strong support right there, and you can also notice that it was a very strong long level right there. If you look at the volume cluster right there, it was a strong support. I didn't take that level because I didn't know where exactly the price will turn, but as we can see right now, the price turned right there and the second time there, and when the price blew through this zone, blew through this support zone, it became a very strong resistance zone. So for those reasons I very like this short level, and if there is a rotation, if the price stays below this short level, let's say 30 more minutes or 1 more hour, it will be a valid level to trade, and I think it will be a very nice opportunity to go short from this level. My second short level is right there at 1361. If you look at the accumulation profile, you can see that some pretty heavy volumes were accumulated there, and after that there was a sell-off right there in this strong selling activity that we see right now. So for this reason I think that 1361 will be a very nice opportunity to go short from. So those are the closest two short levels, and there's also one pretty strong short level right there at 1384. It's an older level, older short level. Let's go into the Australian dollar. US dollar, there's one viable level that I like to go short from. It's at 76.17, and the reason for that level is this sideways price action in which those volumes were accumulated. You can also see that there was a rejection of higher prices and again a vertical sell-off. So for those reasons I believe that if there is a pullback to this area, those sellers who were pushing the price lower will become aggressive and push the price lower once more. If you look over at the US dollar, Canadian dollar, you can see that it's under strong selling pressure right now. For this reason I am only looking for short trades. Unfortunately there aren't any short trades that I like to take. The only one was right there, but it got tested 1 pip sooner, so I didn't have a trade and I had to discard that level. So we'll have to wait for new levels to form for the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's go into the US dollar, Japanese yen. I had a winning trade in the Asian session today. I took it with a limit order, and it was a very nice reaction to that level, and I hope you guys also got profit from this long level. As far as today's levels are concerned, you can see that US dollar, Japanese yen is under buying activity, and for this reason I'm looking only for long levels and for volume clusters to trade. Strong volume cluster is right there at our 113.26 long level. You can also see that the volumes on the cumulative profile on the right side are pretty heavy, so that's one more confirmation of otherwise very strong long level. Our second long level is at 112.54, and you can also see that there is pretty significant volume cluster right there. This volume cluster was created in this sideways price action that happened during this strong buying activity. I think that strong buyers were adding to their long positions there, and if there is a pullback to this area, I think that those buyers will become aggressive and push the price higher from this area. So guys, those are today's intraday levels. I look forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.